welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper, the model builder. And if you look on this side, and you can see that on the other camera, we're doing the Countach. And we've got a lot of parts here and a big box with parts from previous stages. So we have to have a good look at what is what, and we still have to have a good look at what the numbers are in the build guide and what the numbers are on the packs, because on the packs we're still looking at H's and A's and letters and stuff like that, and in the packs they're not calling it, they're calling it by the numbers. So it's a bit annoying, but I'm going to have a quick check on the website. Maybe they do show the letters there. So we've got this pack from stage. We need to screw that in a little bit more, from a previous stage, and it's in there pretty darn good. But this is what we should have, and then we can put the screw in, because we've got a location lug there, and then we can put that H screw in that we have at the ready. It's with a tapered head, and it is into plastic, so this is what we have. Have a look at that. Looks so much nicer there. There we go. And that's this stage complete, and we still have some parts left over from the previous stage, so I'm going to put that there. And get that H screw out straight away. It can only go in one way because, sorry, this is stage 16. We can only go in one way because of that lug that is there. So we put that aside and we take this out, and we're going to put that on the engine, but I have to fetch that engine because it's in the big box. We're getting that one out. Really, is that all that we have to do in this stage? Push that in. Then we're going to push that up, and that was that. As you can see right here, it's still loose in there, but all the wires, all the hoses are in neatly, so we have them together properly. Okay, next stage. Are they different? There's only one that we can put something on. It's right here, and have a look at that. So there's only that way that we can put it on, and then we can put the, I'm going to say that this is an A screw. So make sure that both of them have the L on it. And with these, because as you're not having any screw numbers as on the packet in these build guides, have a look at the thread. We're going back to stage 13. So this is what it's like, and we're putting 2 screws in the back. As you can see, that is it. Let me just show you right here, because it's big bloody part. And then we put them together. Make sure that everything is neatly in there. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 points, and they all need to be in there. Okay, we're going to leave it like that. I had to search for a proper screw, because the one that I put in, the other ones holes wasn't working. And then we can use that panel that we still have left over here. There we go, that's on as well, and that's what we have. Let's see. Oh, that's this stage done. And this was 17. These parts are left over from 17. We're going to 18. Okay, we're not doing anything with that at the moment. we're taking that one out and we're getting that one out. It's supposed to be like that. There we go. As you can see, right, can you see that? Right in there, we put that screw, which was an B screw. That belt is not going anywhere, so I'm not going to put that on because that will surely put everything in the wrong position. So we're putting it on like so, then putting that on. The belt is there already. So I think I will have to do that with tweezers. And that belt is on. Okay, well, we'll leave it like that for a second. And it's all together, and then we're going to get that one in. Okay, that's two eye screws. They're a long way down, so we're going to use these. Have a look at that. Sorry, let's do the big camera. That is nice. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. And then we've got these little plates that we can put in. I'm not breaking anything by putting it on this side. Nope. From stage 17. That's 2. So we've put those little things in. Now let's go on. When we've got another big plate somewhere. Yep, that's one. And have a look. There's always one arrow somewhere. And that arrow corresponds with the arrow there. So we're going to put it like so. As you can see, that pin will go in that. I need that other one. Needs to be put through right there. Okay, we've got those 3 rings in with those hooks. Have a look at that. And there are 3 C rings underneath. So let's see. Is there a window somewhere? Ah, there it is. Okay, there we go. There's a the window is in here. Let me just put that away a little bit further. The window is in here. There's a little bit of lettering there. If you look at it that way, it's you can read it. Have a good look at that, how that's orientated. So we're going to put that aside. We're not using that anymore. So we're putting in it like so on both sides. I'm putting a bit of glue in there. And then we're getting this one out. That one. And we're putting the other 2 in right there and there. But we need to get those off first. Then we can pop this one in. Let's put that away. Right here we put that little thing. That needs to be glued in, that's for sure. Masking tape on so that it won't come off until it's fully dried. There we go. Then we're going right here, putting that one on. That's, oh, forgot something. There we go, that's in as well. And then we've got another stage completed. So we can put that in, but we're not screwing it in yet. And I do think we need to screw that in, but I don't know with what. Shall I try this E-screw? This is what we have in this stage, which is stage number 20. Last stage of the Countach I have. Okay, there we go. And put that in beforehand. So okay, that stays in. That one's in as well. I've got the handbrake, which we can put in here. There we go. With the help of pliers, that got in pretty darn good. As you can see right there. Okay, we've got this little area here where we can put this little thing. It will come out right there. And that is the last thing we do in this stage. Let's get that backing paper off. If I'm correct, we're done with this stage, and I can put all tools away. And we've got that little black part in there as well, and that's the last stage we do. And we've got all these parts that are here left over, screws left over. So we've got quite a lot of leftover stuff here. That is that, guys. I've done 2 packs of the 24 pack build, because there are 2 magazines. So per magazine I've got, say, about 3 to 4 stages to do. And pack or Countach number 7 is at the ready, which is pack that is out there. But I'm going to let everything cool down a bit and come back to you a little bit later on. But with that, I want to say thank you, and like, subscribe, and pass it on. And I hope to see you next time. And building that pack that is right there, 7 and 8 are going to be built. So hope you will be there as well. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, as I said before. And hope to see you next time on any of my other builds. Thank you very much. Bye bye.